How to delete WorldRemit account. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will guide you on how you can delete your WorldRemit account, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to delete your WorldRemit account, open your browser and go to worldremit.com and make sure that you are signed into your account. Once you've done that, make sure to click the three lines option from the top left and then simply go to the option called Help. Now once you go to the help section, you're gonna see this type of interface where if you scroll down, you'll find this option over here known as My Account. So make sure to just click the My Account button. Under My Account, you should be able to see different sort of interface where you have to go to this option again called My Account. Once you're here, you should be able to see all these sorts of information where if you scroll down, you'll find this option called How do I close my WorldRemit account? So make sure to click on it. As you click on it, at the very top, if you look right here, you can see how do I close my WorldRemit account. To disable your WorldRemit account, please contact us. So bottom line is that you have to contact WorldRemit customer support in order to delete your WorldRemit account. So click on this contact us link, and then you'll be taken to this page where if you scroll down to the bottom, you should be able to see a list of all of their phone numbers depending upon whichever country you're from. So if you're from Asia, Australia, Europe, or wherever else country that you belong to, make sure to select that particular number. It will automatically open up in a dialer app. Hit the call option over here, and then after that, just let them know that you would like to delete your WorldRemit account, provide them the username and so on, and they should be able to help you with it. This way you will be able to delete your WorldRemit account. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.